Dear traders, in this video I am going to talk about the Heikin Ashi and RSI combination indicator. Yes guys, basically this indicator is the combination of two indicators RSI plus Heikin Ashi, and this is going to be the very powerful strategy because this is one of the strategy that I have myself tested on my live account as well. So guys, this strategy is very powerful with no doubts, and I will tell you that simply that how you can use this strategy for the profitable trading. Okay guys, you can see basically we have some areas here, the top red band here, and you can see the lower green zone here. So how it works, the top red band means that this is the overbought levels of the market, and if we talk about the lower green zone, this means that the market is into the oversold levels, right? Okay, so in if I tell you in the simple words, then it's very simple that the upper red area stands for taking your sell positions, and the lower red green zone stands for taking your buy positions. But guys, it doesn't mean that you have to immediately take the buy positions and sell positions when the market comes into the green area or red area. So this will be wrong. So this is the main strategy that I am telling you, that how you can get the extreme benefit from this strategy, because I know I have made good profits over the period with this indicator. So I'm going to tell you that how I personally use it. Okay guys, first of all, look at this point. So what was happening, the market come into the top red boundary, that's fine, it was coming down, and then the yellow line reaches to the green area. Okay, so if you consider this area as well, so now look at this, because we are at this point, the market comes down and then the yellow line enters into the green level. So it doesn't mean that the market just entered into the green zone that you are going to put your buy order. This will be completely wrong. So all you need is to wait, and because this is all about the combination of the Heikin Ashi and RSI. The RSI is into the yellow color, and the Heikin Ashi candles you can see into the red and blue, sorry, these green colors, right? And now you can see from this area the market was into the green level, and then the Heikin Ashi candle starts to turn into the green color, which was the perfect signal that the market is oversold. And the second confirmation is coming from the Heikin Ashi that I am turning myself into the green color, which means that you should enter into the buy. Now for example, if we enter into the buy from this level, because we are here, now you can see how sweetly the market went into the upward direction. So right now I am consulting the 1 minute chart. However, you can use this strategy on the 1 minute to any time frame depending on to the overbought and oversold levels. Okay guys, you need to take care of one thing, that for example, if we talk about the RSI here, the RSI didn't went into the red zone, so you will not take any trades when the market stands into the middle of this levels, right? I mean, the middle levels are very dangerous to trade. You don't have to do anything here. You will wait, either the market should go into the red top level, or either the market should go into the lower red level. So what is the good way? You have different time frames, because this strategy is not limited to the 1 minute. You can use it on 1 hour, 45 minutes, 35, 30, 15, 5, whatever, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, whatever trade you prefer. I mean, it completely depends on your trading style, that how you can deal with the market. Okay, everyone has its own time frame, on trading style, so I cannot say much about it, but this is the successful strategy on all time frames, right? Okay, now you can see at the top red level the market stands up, and guys, one more thing, like look at this pattern. The market is just pumping up and down, but at the same level. So always consider this thing, that basically we are going into the upward trend. So what I have taught you in my last lessons, do not trade against the trend, because if this line stands for, if you look at this arrow, this is the upward trend. So why to sell into the upward trend? This will be the wrong option. So better you should wait for the upward trend to get close properly, and then you can take any sell chance. So for example, let's say we have the opportunity here, like you can see that the yellow line comes, and even it crossed the barriers of the red level as well. So it means that it was kind of a dead overbought, because you can see still it pumped up and dead overbought, and after that the candles turned green, Heikin Ashi, and then you can see the market was pretty into the downward direction. And again at this point, the market was gone below the green level, then it pumped up. So guys, this scalping strategy is going to make you very profitable, because this doesn't repaint, no problem in this strategy. All you need is to wait for the proper levels to meet the requirements that I am telling you. Okay, now you can do another job. If you have any other good indicators from my last videos, you can add any other indicator for your confirmation mode. But I am very happy with the two confirmations, because here we are being guided by the RSI and Heikin Ashi. Okay, now look at this point. Here the market was into the ranging side. So guys, never trade such a type of momentums. Look at here, I'm going to make a rectangle that will show you that which pair to trade and which pair not to trade. For example, look at here. Do you think that this is a good pattern to trade? Because you can see the market is ranging inside the this rectangle. So this is the gold 1 minute. You know that when the gold was closed on Friday, the momentum gets slow, but previously it was, everything was fine. If we go back, you can see we have very good dips, we have very good heights, and you can see the market was up and down. And even at this point, look at this, here the gold pumped up, and then you can see again it was also pushed back as well. So Heikin Ashi is going to help you a lot, right? Let me show you a couple of more pairs so that I can show you that how this is working properly. So we have to look, this is the area where the market gets stuck. So in the upward trend, you don't have to take any sell trades. Okay, this was the point, this is the point. Like, look at this area, the market was overbought, Heikin Ashi turned red, and even if you look at my candles, guys, I have also turned them into the Heikin Ashi, so that everything should look beautiful at my end, right? Okay, now let's talk about the USD CAD. Okay, look, this strong momentum was carried from the overbought level, oversold levels, and you can see straight into the upward side. So guys, you can use this indicator on 1 minute to 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame you need to do. Let me show you that how it performs on the 1 hour. So let me give you a little bit glimpse. Okay, so here you can see that it was overbought, and then slightly it come down again, it's working up. So guys, why it's coming up? Because you know that I have guided you already with the trend into the upward direction. So personally, I don't prefer to sell. I mean, with this trend, I will wait for the market to come down into the green zone, and then I will buy it. This zone is not important for me into the upward trend. And if we reverse this scenario into the sell trend, I will prefer for the market to come into like look, this Euro USD 1 hour, this is the downtrend momentum. So here I would prefer for the market to come into the top red levels to sell this pair. Otherwise, I do not prefer to buy this one. Hopefully guys, if you just keep this thing in your mind, because trading with the trend is very important. If you just follow this advice, then guys, no one is going to beat you, because I have also shown you my withdrawal proofs as well. Into the last videos, you can see that I have shown you my best broker with the withdrawal proofs. So this strategy is working very nice, and I'm also coming up with the new strategies as well, so that you must know you should not be far from the professional traders. If you join FX Mentor and if you subscribe this channel, then guys, I really promise that you will be a part of the professional traders. Within days, you will be a part of the professional traders. You will have very high quality trading skills, and this is my promise from my side. So guys, if you like this video, then please tell me about everything into the comment section, how you find this indicator, how your results are with this indicator. So please let me know everything into the comment section, and your questions are highly welcome. Thank you for watching this video.